Laminate floors, hardwood floors, engineered floors, they're all a beautiful addition to any room in your house, and it's a great DIY project. But if you don't have underlayment under there, you're going to run into some problems, aren't you, Allison?
Absolutely, and not all of our laminates or hardwoods come with underlayment attached. So you've got options, and the biggest reason you want to use an underlayment is to help with your sound dampening properties. So it doesn't sound hollow. And also think about your moisture issues.
Yeah, those are big. Now, we were talking about this a minute ago, and this is sort of like the trifecta of underlayment.
It is.
Because not only does it dampen the noise, and it also creates a moisture barrier, which is perfect if you want to go below grade, because this can be used on grade or below grade. But look at this, it also has a thermo layer. So what it does is it reflects the heat back into the room. It doesn't seep through the floor. So this is a nice addition to it as well.
It is, and one of the reasons I like this Trafficmaster 3-in-1 underlayment, look how easy this is for your average homeowner.
So you got the adhesive strip right here so that you can put it down quite easily.
Absolutely.
This is great. So remember, when you're shopping for your laminate floor, your underlayment is just as important.